Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this video, we are going to talk about the endoplasmic reticulum structures, which is also abbreviated as ER structures of the eukaryotic cells. So endoplasmic reticulum or ER as abbreviated, these are network of tiny tubular structures which are mostly scattered in the cytoplasm. To understand this, let us take a look in this picture. So these are the structures which are tubular structures, as you can see. These are scattered in the cytoplasm and these are actually the endoplasmic reticulum, or abbreviated form is the ER. So this endoplasmic reticulum, this divides the whole cytoplasm into two compartments. The first inner space is known as the luminal space. So this endoplasmic reticulum, it divides the intracellular space into the luminal, which is the space inside the endoplasmic reticulum, as well as the extraluminal compartment, which is the space outside the endoplasmic reticulum, that is the cytoplasm. The endoplasmic reticulum is present in two forms. First is known as RER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the second is known as the SER, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Why are they named so? RER is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum because of the fact that the ribosomes are associated with these type of endoplasmic reticulum. As you can see over here, these are the RER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum, as it is giving a rough texture to this image of the endoplasmic reticulums. Hence, it is known as RER. The second is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. As you can see here, the ribosomes are not associated with the endoplasmic reticulum. Hence, it gives a smooth appearance. Hence, these are known as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum, these are mostly found in cells which are actively involved in protein synthesis. Because why? We have already studied that the ribosomes are the structures which are involved in translation or protein synthesis machinery. So these endoplasmic reticulum or the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which has associated ribosomes with it, they are mostly found in cells which are actively involved in protein synthesis. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is a major site for the lipid synthesis, unlike the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which are the sites for protein synthesis. So in this video, we have talked about an organelle of the eukaryotic cells, which is the ER or the endoplasmic reticulum. We have discussed about the two forms of the endoplasmic reticulum, that is SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and RER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. I hope you have understood and liked this video. Thank you.